Jamaica
A warning
watch
this evening from the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, as the oversight body raises alarm about the actions of some members of the police force, from officers wearing face coverings during operations to claims of tampering or destroying surveillance footage.
A sharp rebuke from INDECOM boss Hugh Faulkner, as the oversight body confirms it has received reports of police officers wearing masks or full face coverings during operations. The Commission says it has been gathering data with the use of its new case management system.
Persons who are wearing balaclavas, masks, we capture that. The masks and balaclavas pose a problem for the citizen to identify who was the perpetrator.
In addition to those complaints, reports too of officers trying to obstruct investigations. In some cases, police officers have been accused of destroying or seizing CCTV footage after violent encounters.
So we have had instances where a citizen complained that an officer hit him. When we investigate the matter, the officer got off that assault, but he ended up being charged for taking some steps to obstruct us. Section 33 of the INDECOM Act says any action that seeks to hinder or obstruct the investigation, you can be charged.
Mr. Faulkner, who was speaking at a Kiwanis meeting in Spanish Town, St. Catherine this week, says these issues will be shared with the police high command.
In our stakeholders consultation, we bring them, we identify the case numbers, give them the information, the details, but believe you me, that is a serious offense.